I'm walking backwards on the trail back to the camp. I'm walking down the trail and Mom and 2 cubs. So I am continually to walk backwards. And Mom and the cubs keep following me and are walking at least as fast as I am. And this is the first walk from camp that I've had since getting here on Friday, July 14th. And what I don't want to do as I'm walking backwards is stumble. So I will keep walking backwards. Oh, come on, guys, give me a break. Cubs just keep coming. Oh, come on. All right, that was a stumble. I'm hoping they go off the trail at some point, or somebody else comes along from camp This is Mom and the 2 cubs now. This is by the campsite. This is they're at the water's edge.